So we are about 5-6 hours in and my hyperlapse video just stopped. Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. In the last video, which I'll put up somewhere here, we looked to make our own toy. So find a toy, replicate it and print it using my 3D printer. In the last video, we managed to get down to the part where we had the correct file to put into the printer. Now let's figure out how to print it and go ahead and print the model and see how it turns out. We had lots of issues along the way, but hopefully they've been ironed out now and it's a simple plug and play and we can print the toy. So we are about 5-6 hours in and my hyperlapse video just stopped. Great. However, so after 13 hours, give or take, 3D print hyperlapse, we have our finished model. As you can see, it's come out really well. Let's take it off the bed and have a look. And here's the finished product. The finished print, you can see there's still a little bit going on here. Pretty good. I quite like it. And let's bring in the model. Can't tell them apart really. So in short, to summarize, can we 3D print a toy from an existing model? Yes, we can, but it looks a bit shit. See you on the next one.